Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In today's video I have two items. The first one is setting up a water butt to capture the rainwater from your roof, and the next item is making a water butt depth gauge so you know how much water you have in your water butt. So let's go into the workshop and see how we do it. The first job is to place your water butt at the correct height on a solid base, because when it's full of water it's very heavy. You also need to lift it off the ground so that you can get a watering can underneath the tap. In this position I can take the rainwater from the shed guttering into the top of the water butt, and rainwater from my house roof into the side of the water butt. This also acts as an overflow pipe. This is a square adapter that diverts water from the roof into your water butt. They also make a round version. This is the centre line of the water level. What you do is just cut the drain pipe, fit this section in, which is a pipe coming out. It must be the same height as your inlet pipe on your water butt. It has a double wall, so the outside fills up and goes down here. And when the water butt gets full, the water comes up here, overflows and goes down the pipe to the drain. Now on this water butt I have a hole in the middle. You can buy this adapter here which locks into the middle, and then it converts it to overflow piping. You can see on this water butt there's a position here where you could fit this. Just drill a hole and you can attach your water pipe for your water coming in through here. So what I'll do with this attachment, now we'll look at the water depth gauge. Place that through the hole and then underneath put the nut and the washer. And that gives you a small diameter hole at the top of the barrel. You'll also need this, which is a ball cock float. Some steel bar. This steel is 6mm diameter, or if you go for, I think it's 8mm, you could thread the bar to match the ball. You also need the nozzle of one of these sealant canisters, which looks like that, and that's because it has a small hole one end, larger hole the other end, and the rod will pass through there. So on the lid of the water butt you screw this adapter in, and into the adapter you just place this, which reduces the size of the hole, and your steel rod will then go through the centre of that. If it doesn't, you just cut the plastic back further to make the hole bigger. On the end of your steel rod you fit your ball. So on the knitting needle, this is a size 4, this cap comes off. I'll use this on the end of the rod just so you don't poke your eye out with it. That fits on the steel rod. You can glue that on if you need to, or make a cap that fits. It stops the steel rod dropping through the hole, but also you can see where the end of the rod is. And that's ready to go into the water butt. To fit this together, drop the tapered silicone nozzle in there. Take the rod with the ball on, take the cap off, put it into the tank and thread it through the hole. You put the top on. That should go up and down. This is your water gauge. So as the tank gets full, this will come up. As it goes down, you can see there I have about 6 inches of water in the tank. And on my tank, the only problem I have is that this white plastic part here, it's an angle, because the top of the tank is not flat. So that's why the rod is leaning over. But as the water fills up, it straightens up. So this water butt is fed with water from my house roof, which is on a pipe like this, that comes through the back of the water butt, and also water from my shed roof that comes down this pipe into the water butt. Oh well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.